back due to owners having other commitments or their commitments in the shows are concerned. But we're very pleased that the exhibits have come back, have done so in support of the society. As you can see, the in-hand championship is coming into the ring first of all. And we welcome our judge, Mr. Steve Laylock from Gylch Farm, Herefordshire. Mr. Steve Laylock is a very familiar face in the equine world.
Prynhawn, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the main ring, where the English commentary. And I'm joined this afternoon by Kath Hall and Leslie Hilliard. Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon, young man.
We're back here. We're moving on to the Supreme Championship, the Royal Welsh Show 2023. And you'll hear the three of us talking about the ponies, about the people, giving our views, our commentary, and telling you a little bit about the ponies, hopefully, and hope you'll find it interesting. I think they're
Shire obviously is forward, so the winner of the in-hand Royal Welsh Championship will also be the qualifier for the Price family
So before us now is the Section B champion, who was reserved for the Thomas Sprightly. That's Richard Miller. It's a henny half pony.
And previously, in front of that was that's Falmai Davis from the Mount Pleasant stud down in Pembrokeshire, and that's Mount Pleasant China Doll. With a lovely foal at foot.
And was she riding pony breeding?
Yes, I think she was. Yes, she definitely was. It's on my list.
And who's our judge for this championship? Is it Sue Keylock, or is she doing the prize?
I shall have to have a look for you. We've got so much paperwork here. We're not at all house proud here, are we?
No, we're not.
At all. No. Which is not like me.
Well, I know who that one is. That's Ella
Rhinon. Yeah.
That ugly pony.
We've watched Ella from a tiny little girl.
We have. Well, yes.
She's a super little jockey.
She's going to be out-aged on that pony. She's going to have to go to a bigger pony next year because she'll be 14 in December. So
will she? Well, I don't suppose she'll have much problem with Dad.
I don't think so.
No.
And I'm sure
very supportive.
Ira will find a pony for her.
Yes.
There's a side saddle
Ladies Hunter, darling.
Ladies Hunter.
Yes.
There we are. What a lovely sight.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yes.
It's blanket spot Appaloosa.
I think somebody has removed.
Well, we'll pick them up as they go round. We're getting our paperwork together here.
Right, was that the Palomino ridden champion? Is that India Latta?
India,
Oh, no,
last
that's
year's
not-
now
that's
with
not- yes.
Kitty Bodley
Oh,
and
yes.
Joe Williams' homebred. Well, I assume he belongs to India, but that's Glebedale Desert Storm.
This is the ridden coloured, obviously. Yes?
Yes.
This is Bombay Royal Hair.
Regal Air, I think it
Regal
is,
Air,
John,
sorry,
yes.
Regal.
Can't read your
The
own.
writing's not very good here.
No.
Many apologies to viewers at home. And that is with Emma Reese. Just to give you the running order in here, we have the section A, which is Idyllic Spectra, the section B, which is Heniarth Mon Ami, the section C is Donistic Turpin, the section D is the Gwynplaine Seren Waledi, the Welsh Park bred is Lan. Can someone pronounce that? Yeah.
And I've also found who is doing the Prif family championship, and it is, yes,
Sue Keylock.
Mrs. Sue Keylock, yes, from the guy from Hereford. Sue Keylock, as I think I said this morning, as I can remember her riding as a little girl at the second time this show was held on this showground. When we were all little children, or young children, and she was Sue Eckley back in the day.
That's right. That was the park bred champion. It's just going there.
And that was a Trindod Celtic Lord. Sorry, so busy looking at my paperwork. The pony's been and gone. Enough.
This is Sue Keylock judging this championship. Sue obviously is doing the Supreme, where someone else will do the price, yeah? but it's Sue's that's doing the Supreme.
The Prif Family Supreme Championship.
This is.
Then that's what's happening now, yes.
Right.
That's what's
So
doing.
this is the Prif Supreme Championship, judged by Sue Gylch, who was previously known as Sue Eckley of the Kusop stud, a very famous stud that needs no introduction to Welsh.
No, all riding ponies for that matter. I think her father owned the great Bulk Zephyr back in the day.
Bred some lovely ponies, doing all disciplines. I remember a lovely pony in harness, a private drive pony called Kusop Blighter, with Alf King, driven to a Dennet gig. A lovely turnout, very successful in its time. So not just in hand ponies ridden, driven, doing many different things.
Yes,
and that is
yes.
Sue's background.
Ridden, driven, yes. Mountain and Moorland, they've done them, yes.
And I think Sue is very deserving of the honour here this afternoon.
Most definitely, yes. Yes, what a dynasty, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Each were a respective champion in their sections, and each obviously vying for that highest qualifier. I will transfer you to Sarah and Nom, who will tell you a little bit about the respective sections that they represent here today.
This was the Section A champion. This is Idyllic Spectra. So obviously, like Sue, what she'd be looking for here is an animal with a nice walk, good movement, you know, with her background. She'd be looking for an animal that could possibly do different things. Would you agree, Kath?
Yeah, well that's a stallion, isn't it? So
it's a youngster.
Yeah.
It's he did very well yesterday, coming through the ranks there.
yeah. I think she's quite experienced with all horses, though, isn't she? Because I'm sure her family had race horses. At one time.
Yes, it's not just in the Welshes.
Yeah.
Sue will judge everything.
Yeah. Well, this coloured horse has got some white feather, hasn't it, to keep clean?
Yeah, he's got some feather. And these colour classes are getting very, very popular, I think.
Yes, they are, aren't they? That's a good thing it was shown this afternoon, not this morning, though.
Oh,
They'd still be washing
yes.
them.
Yeah.
I wonder how hard it is to keep his tail like that when it's so near to the floor.
They must bag it, I would
They
think,
must,
isn't it?
must.
Yeah. Because he's not a tall horse, is it?
No, he wouldn't be a big pony, would he? He's quite small, really.
Mm-hmm.
So, in lovely condition.
Yes. Turned out to perfection, isn't he?
Oh, yes. There's all us in the Welsh enthusiasts showing animals. We're cutting their tails off. They're putting them on.
Yeah. And we think the native side of it is easy.
Yeah.
Whereas imagine keeping all that clean and keeping that feather.
Yeah, you have to take your hat off to them.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of hard work.
A lot of work. And this is the
Welsh Cob Stallion.
the Section D champion from yesterday, Gylch Prince of Wales Cup winner, which is every Welsh cob breeder's dream. This is Gwynfire Seren Weledig. You'll have to forgive me for my pronunciations. Doing my best.
I'm glad you did it because I couldn't even pronounce it.
Well, he's bred by Melion Evans, isn't he, and family. He's by Gwynfire Gylch, isn't he?
Yes, yeah. Very successful sire. This animal's been very successful in the show ring in the past. He's no stranger to a rosette.
Oh, a lovely Welsh stamp for a Welsh cob, isn't he? So we haven't actually got a full selection of all the winners, have we? Maybe lots have gone home.
Well, it's also the Royal International, isn't it, down New Forest, so they might have gone on to other shows.
It's quite sad that we don't have a full complement.
It is, because usually this ring is full of them, isn't it?
Be full.
But the Royal Welsh this year is a week later, so I think that's how it's clashed, and unfortunately that's why we haven't got the full complement.
And this section was judged here in the main ring and first thing on Monday morning. The Welsh pony of God type is defined as the strong counterpart of the Welsh pony that's with on blood. And as we've seen, the champion...
Oh, there he goes now.
More information about the breed, so they're not 13 to hands, and I'm very confident they both have
Handsome boy, usually hops.
Yeah, good action.
Yes, he's a lovely horse, or lovely cob, and shown expertly by Dorian Lloyd. Dorian and Mickey do a tremendous job on this horse, and it's only fair to say that Mickey will work as hard as Dorian on this cob, and Maureen's very fortunate to have these people preparing the stallion for them.
Yes.
It was quite interesting yesterday doing the cob because all the predictions didn't come to fruition at all.
There we go.
So,
but you know, I know there's been the rules in the Welsh Pony Cob now are none of this hooping and hollering and shaking behind them. That little stallion went beautifully then without any of it, didn't he?
Oh yes,
They don't need it.
No.
If you do your homework,
if you do your homework, and if an animal's set up for the job,
I know
he'll come out and do it.
A few weeks ago it was done at a show, and unfortunately there was a ridden class taking place, and I'd say a middle-aged lady was riding, which no reason why she shouldn't, but she nearly came to grief because of what was going on at the side of the ring. And
what one is this?
That was the Palomino. Is that India?
I'm not sure. She can't ride two in there, can she? So where she looks like she's got somebody else on board. India's only short, isn't she? That's definitely not India. But Desert Storm bred in Abergavenny by Joe Williams and Kitty Bodley. And since Kitty's taken over, they've sort of gone A's, B's, C's and D's, and they're doing very successful with them all, aren't they? And partbreds.
Very successful stud.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, it's hard work, good for them.
Yes, and Kitty has to work very hard, especially as a mother's out of action, when she has been for a couple of years.
So the Welsh pony cannot exceed 32 hands, and the Welsh Pony Park Society described the section as to follow the general description of the ponies in section A of the stud book. It's actually applicable to section B as well. But the section B shall be described.
And this is young Ella Iron,
Yeah.
Einan.
Yeah.
Poor child. What am I doing to her? And this young lady competes in working hunter ponies as well as mounted and moorland classes, and here she is on a...
Yeah, because she did very well at Hoy's last year.
Yeah,
in the
I think
section C.
Yeah, she's been, I think this pony's been to Hoyt, isn't it? Well, Ella's been twice, hasn't she?
Yes.
So this is the Welsh Parkbred pony.
Is it? Right. There we go.
A small, well, obviously the small as opposed to the large.
So this is Prynhawn, Miss Candy then, I believe. Well, that's the number I've got down. Oh, no, beg your pardon. That's a Baron Mare.
Oh, I've got Eiley Walton Courts, I think, because they don't have the right names, do they?
No. Who did this shit? Good gracious.
David will kill me when I leave here now.
Oh dear. They can't get the staff, and neither can we.
We haven't got that on my sheet. We've got Parkbred ridden. R-Reed.
That's it.
Ella
Iric
Iron.
Iron.
Yeah, Ella.
Written by Ella Iron, isn't it? Yeah.
Would this be the ridden M&M?
I think it was a worker. It's got a martingale on. An M&M worker, this would have been.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And this is Connemara pony, and where is he? Is that Airy Bonner riding him?
Airy
Yes,
Bonner, yeah.
yes.
I think its name's called Prynhawn. Does that sound about right? Perhaps it's Irish, as in Gaelic Irish.
Yeah, Gaelic.
Well, it's done a nice quiet little show, hasn't
Yes.
it? No fussing and...
Yeah, yeah.
It's nice and safe.
Yeah.
It's riding with one hand. Oh, nice throwing back.
Throwing back, yeah.
You know, they're very dodgy things to get them right, isn't it?
Oh, that's a nice show.
Yes.
So I must be on. we're going from one to the other here.
Yes, we are, aren't we? Yes, we're going from in hand to ridden, and
We've got
yes,
the ridden down there and the in hand up there.
Yes.
I'm slightly confused.
And I take it that is Mr. Ron Thomas from the Prynhawn stud then.
Yeah, Ron's judging, isn't he, this one?
Yes. Yes. Very successful over the years of producing ridden ponies. I don't think there's anybody better in Wales than the Prynhawn stud for successful ridden ponies at Horse of the Year show. And I've got to be honest, they've broken for me over the years, and they always do such a superb job. And I've got to say, Ron always used to say he's waiting for a naughty pony off me.
So this is the winner of the...
Well, it must have been the ridden colours. Yes,
yeah.
Which, hang on.
I think Ron Thomas will like that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's going nicely
It's
as well,
going nicely,
isn't it?
isn't it?
Balanced.
It's given a nice
look
show.
at that.
Yeah.
Yes, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, change the
That's what
rein.
you want, armchair ride.
Yeah.
It's going really nicely.
I would have thought that one could have been in the honours on that show.
Mm-hmm. I think it might have wanted maybe a tad bit more of an extension,
Yeah.
but it was adequate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, she didn't do a rein back like the Connie
No,
did.
the Connie did the rein back. Plus the Connie was a bit going with one hand, wasn't it?
Yes. And you know, at one time Ron would have been all riding ponies, but over the years he has been educated to these native breeds. Or the hairies, as he used to refer to them. The hairies.
Yeah.
Nothing hairy about that.
Do we know who's on board that Ladies Hunter?
Side saddle.
I've never done it. Have you, Leslie? Ridden side saddle?
No.
Have you, John?
No.
I've ridden Western style, but not side saddle.
I've never ridden with me two legs over either.
Shall we change the subject?
Yes, I think
so.
We get
We
banned
won't
in
go
a
any
minute.
further.
Somebody being naughty without realising it. Oh dear. That's the type of gap I would make.
Yeah.
It does look seriously uncomfortable, doesn't it? To be fair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bram was laughing at me. Not for me.
Nice transition.
That was lovely,
Yeah,
to be
that
fair,
was,
yeah. When I was young and I first went hunting, and a lady riding big grey side saddle was put in charge of me. And I from that day to this, I've always admired people that can ride side saddle. She'd jump anything. Anything. Big, small, amazing.
I think it looks very elegant.
It does.
Yes. And she's not moving at all, is she?
No,
No.
You know.
no.
And she's extending.
Oh, now
well
that's
done.
good. Come on,
well
girl.
Done, yeah.
That's a proper
Now
gallop.
that's it,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Well done indeed.
I think you'd be quite impressed with that.
Spot on Sir Rupert, it's called. Ridden by Rachel Hawkins.
All right. Well done, Rachel Hawkins.
Yeah.
That was
Oh, she did very
done.
well
yes,
there.
yes. I'm well impressed.
So am I. It looks a right, nice,
Yeah.
genuine
Yes,
horse, doesn't
doesn't
it?
it? Unfortunately, we're not the panel of judges.
No, we're
That's
not.
just our opinion,
Yeah,
but that's
that's it.
very,
Well
very
done,
nice.
Rachel.
I think you would call that a nice show, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And hopefully she gets rewarded for that.
Well, I hope so, and especially where the gallop is concerned.
Yeah.
A lot of judges ask for a gallop. I'm not saying Ron Thomas did, but then they don't reward the gallopers.
I know.
And,
No, but I know.
but they do have 4 paces, so I would reward for that gallop.
I know a spot wouldn't be everyone's cup of tea, but a good pony or horse is never a bad colour, is it?
No, no.
Back to the
In hand.
in hand ring.
For your information, ladies and gentlemen, the process within the in-hand section is that the judge
Well, I haven't a clue what this one is, have you?
Yes, I've got a clue that one.
Come on, John. Spill the beans.
Yes.
Yes, that is from Miss Dick Turpin
And
and
yes,
Richard Pittman.
and I wonder who he's bred by. It couldn't have been that gentleman. What's his name? Oh dear,
Oh,
dear,
what's
dear,
his name?
dear.
John Kirk.
Oh, John.
So they
That-
tell me.
That's the one. That's the one.
Is he called Mushy or
That's
something?
it, nickname Mushy. You got it. Yes, that's it. Known as.
AKA.
as we move on to the written and the weight.
Looks like Sue has seen them all now by the looks of things, by her body language, walking round them.
We all look so different when we dress up as judges, don't
Oh,
we?
yes,
You know,
we do.
and especially as girls, I think.
Yes.
But I would, from a distance, never say that's Sue. I'm used to seeing her dressed like me. Showing her legs, I didn't realise she had any. I thought she moved around on casters.
Yes, yes, she's showing her legs off today.
Yeah.
Right, I wonder
Giving
what-
Richard Miller a good look, and Valmai.
What's she going to do? Oh,
She's. I think she's given them all a fair look.
Yes, she is, yeah.
I don't think you'd be able to call this actually.
It's a very difficult one, isn't
Difficult.
it? Yeah.
Difficult decision.
Well, you think they're the cream of the cream that have been here this morning,
yeah.
so or this week.
Yeah.
So,
See if she's made a decision.
and now we're back to the ridden.
But
Oh,
that's
dear.
a ridden.
We might never know what wins the in hand now.
No.
Don't you? Well done.
Yes.
Yes, we did
Well,
say
we did
that.
say
Give
that,
a
didn't
lovely
we?
show,
We did say,
didn't we?
yeah.
I did say that to give a lovely show.
Well done, Ron Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, bless her.
emotional.
Ah,
OMG.
lovely.
Well done, Mr. Thomas.
got a wonderful eye for a pony, that
Yes.
gentleman, yes.
Well, it did a lovely show, didn't it?
Oh,
For
so
him?
it did.
It would have
So
been
it did.
right up his street, really. So what's he got in reserve? Is that a ridden C? I can't see.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
It's ridden
Can't
safe.
see who's on board, though.
Local exhibitor supporting the show for many, many years. And taking reserve, we have the Section C champion.
So that's Hillgarth Lucky Legend.
That's
Oh,
right.
right,
That's
yeah.
the winner of the Section C on Monday.
Yes, that's right, yes.
So do we know who that young lady is?
No, I can't say I do. Might know, yes, people look different when they've got riding hats on, don't they?
Is that it
What's
there?
her name?
I don't know, I can't read it.
Glover, is it Demi Glover or? Demi and Glover, right. There we go. Well done, young lady. Beautiful.
It is a lovely pony.
This is,
Lovely, yes,
yes.
very
Beautiful
nice.
faces on it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, well done.
Well, we saluted how well it went, so
Yeah.
Followed by Hillgarth Lucky Legend reserve with the Supreme Reserve here.
Hey, said I just won the Supreme. We're back to the other end of the
Paul.
main ring
she's pulled what she wants to the front.
for the Price Family Championship.
Yeah, she's got 4 forward.
Yes. See there, Richard Miller with the Henyath
Yes.
Namia is
Yeah.
forward,
Uh,
along with Henyath. Some debating going on there. If you
she's got a final 4 forward.
Oh, it's the cob.
Oh, the cob.
well
Go.
done,
Well
really.
done.
Well done.
Yes,
Well done, Marion.
yes, well done.
Well done,
indeed.
Marion Evans.
Win by Seren Ledig.
And Dorian Lloyd.
Well done,
and
Dorian,
Lynn.
with his red boots on.
Yes,
His red rugby boots on.
What a beautiful animal,
yes,
isn't he?
lovely.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
So he's off.
yes, yes, off up to Birmingham.
Oh, well done. Well deserved, because he's a lovely horse,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
he?
lovely horse. Yeah, well deserved.
Look at that.
Look at that.
So majestic, isn't he?
And,
And
the reserve.
a hunter broodmare. Well done.
Well, that's a lovely result
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
at the end of the
Yeah, 4
Royal
days.
Well show.
Yeah.
Yes. And we've been very privileged to be able to watch it at such close quarters.
Yes, we have, and it's been very enjoyable.
Yeah. I mean, we might all be sacked now after today, but you know, you
Why
think? I said we might all be sacked.
Hopefully not.
no, we enjoyed this.
Get the sack.
Well, we'll be sacked for the next, what is it, 11 months and so
11
many
months.
days. And is that Kath Bowdler in the ring, is it? Yes, it
Yes.
is, yes.
Everybody looks so different with their posh gear on,
yeah,
don't they?
that's right, yeah. And Kath and her husband Peter, they work very hard for this show, don't they?
They do.
And for the Spring Festival. So. So I assume they were sponsors of this class.
Our judge, Mrs. Prynhawn, for judging her the prize qualifier for the course of the year, 2023 qualifier, and this goes on the Rice Talk with my
What a lovely end to the Royal Welsh Show
Yeah.
223.
Yeah.
Oh, there's maybe on.
Marianne,
Yes, well
very
done.
proud breeder.
Yeah.
At least he hasn't got a trophy to drop today. Yet.
Yes, and apart from that bit of rain yesterday, I think it's been quite a good week, hasn't it?
I think it's been a lovely
Yes.
week.
But it just goes so quickly.
Too quick.
Just goes
Too
too
quick.
quickly.
But at least we've got... Hello,
there
he's
we
got
go.
it's inside out.
His lining hanging out.
His lining hanging out of his hat.
Well, it matches his tie.
So it
Yes,
does.
it
Matches his the sash, and matches his boots,
There you
and
go,
his
he's
tie,
sorted.
and his...
And his
He's
handkerchief.
very colour coordinated.
Oh, he is, isn't he? Look at the rear photograph.
My goodness. He'll be mortified when he sees it.
Yeah, we'll have to have that photoshopped, that one.
So take your hat off and put it back on.
Toss it down.
She can tell him. Tell him, Sue.
No.
What?
Oh, somebody's
Someone's
told
told him. At last.
Oh, well, I wonder if he realises how much he's making us laugh over that.
Put your hands together when the prize qualifier vacates the ring and the qualifier runs in one couple. But they will be coming back. You shouldn't have them up on
Oh, well, congratulations,
Yes,
isn't it?
and it's all
Is it-
over by the
yes,
shouting
it's all
now.
over by the shouting
the
now, and
culmination
hopefully he
of-
has success when he goes to Hoys.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Culmination of a lot of hard work will get them here.
And there he goes on his lap of honour.
Hey, lovely animal.
See him doing a lot of things. Couldn't you? You could do what you wanted with him.
Yeah.
Riding, driving, do what
Yeah,
you want.
oh, it's Karen Hooper and her daughter.
What an end to a show.
Yes.
Oh, he's going really well now, isn't
Yeah,
he?
it's
Yeah.
me, yeah.
I'm glad I'm not having to run next to him, that's all I can
Yes.
say.
Well, there we are. There you've seen the Supreme at
Yes.
the Royal
Welsh
Welsh Show 223 that will be
Yeah.
going on to the Horse of the Year show.
Yes, you can't go any higher.
No,
No. And I'd like to thank Branwyn, actually, Branwyn Davis here, for inviting us
yes,
to, I mean, I've done a day and a morning, and I've thoroughly enjoyed every minute of it.
me too. I've done a day,
Yeah.
a morning and a
Yeah.
bit.
Yes.
And I'd like to thank Branwyn for inviting me along to be a commentator here at the Royal Welsh Show.
And Kath, I'm sure you've enjoyed yourself.
I have,
Yeah.
but I've only done this afternoon, so...
And
You've
look
done
who
your
you've
bit,
done it
Kath.
with her.
I mean, I haven't actually done it since just before COVID, because when COVID came, and of course,
Yes.
we didn't do any. And last year I was unable to come and do it at all, so no, it's exciting to come back. It would have been nice to have seen the other classes all week, though. Although this is the special, the special end, isn't it? But it would have been nice to have seen it all week.
So now we have the overall Suprema show.
And what do we think?
Just wondering, who is doing the overall Supreme now? We've had her...
Oh, there's Ella, look, and her dad.
Yes,
and Beck.
Yeah.
Oh, and I want to call him Kerry after his dad.
Yeah.
Geraint.
I know.
Chemist will never speak to me again for calling him Geraint after his dad.
And I think I called him Chemist.
I don't think it's a matter of hoping to win. I think you do win these races, and more so recently, champion John Lee at Aintree.
Yeah, Aintree was always a special race course for me, and winning the Grand National was probably my earliest hope and dream. So for it to come true was extraordinary.
And of course, you're the first amateur to win since 1990, apparently.
Yeah, Marcus Armitage was the previous winner, and he's a good friend, been a big supporter, so it was bittersweet being the person who took the crown off him, but yeah, it was a wonderful day.
But I think you're not saying everything, because you won Cheltenham as well in many, many races.
Yeah, I was very lucky to have a great career, and an amazing horse called Long Run to win the Cheltenham Gold Cup, and had the great chance to ride Noble Yates to win the Grand National, so far more than I could have ever hoped.
And is it your first time at the Royal Welsh?
First time at the Royal Welsh. Very much hope it's not my last.
Well, we hope so too, and I hope you enjoy the exhibits in front of you, and they look excellent exhibits, and enjoy your afternoon.
Thank you so much.
And all the best. Thank you.
So there we have the driving champion, which is the Hackney. Yes, with James Foley, driven to a Lawton gig. This horse has been very successful in the driving world, and well deserved yesterday, being the driving champion. Turned out to perfection. Lovely vehicle.
Find the details on the Royal Welsh website. Right, let's return to the main ring.
So for this competition you've got the driving champion, the
in hand,
yes, champion reserve,
that's it, yes,
and the ridden,
yeah.
So this is the judge, Leslie.
Yes,
Um,
this is the judge.
He's
Mr.
an ex-
Sam Wally Cohen.
a jockey.
Yeah, well, yes, as well as an entrepreneur, reading his resume. And he also, in 2009, set up a private dental business. So,
I think he also won the Grand National, didn't he?
yes, he did. Yes, he did in 2022, riding Noble Yeats. And he's Sam, who founded the private dental group Portman Healthcare, in 2008.
Gosh.
Yes.
Perhaps being a jockey, that's had his teeth done a few times.
Yes, maybe.
So, well, you know how it's a dangerous job, isn't it?
That's right. It's free for him now.
Oh dear.
Oh, right. I read it again here. A very successful, most successful jockey ever over the Grand National fences, with 7 victories to his name, including one national, as well as finishing second in 2011, riding Oscar Time. Right. He's also a keen amateur jump jockey, and has won the Cheltenham Gold Cup. And, well, once again says I'm running the Grand National. Very busy gentleman.
Yeah.
Oh, very competent one
Yes,
as well.
I should say.
She's a nice type of broodmare, isn't she?
Sam also completed a Masters in Politics at Edinburgh University before joining the Louis de Vries Company, an international agricultural business.
My goodness.
He hasn't let the grass grow under his feet, has he?
He's been quite busy.
My goodness.
Short time.
So has he just got the 4 in this now for this Supreme of the show?
Yeah, you've got the
Only
we've
4
got
come forward,
well,
sir.
you've got the
Section D,
Section D, the reserve. You've got the ridden.
the Hunter,
You've got the ridden
yeah, the coloured ridden.
champion
Yeah,
and reserve.
And the driven
Driving.
qualified
And the-
as well.
and the driven
Champion.
horse.
Yeah.
So that's all that is.
There's a Hackney guy coming along behind, I think. Doing a show. I did see. Wow.
There's the
That's it.
driving
Yes.
champion.
Oh, gracious.
Quite spectacular.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah.
I mean, not broken.
No,
No, no.
His gate is broken.
His leg didn't fall
Gate
off.
broken. To keep a Hackney on his legs, but yeah,
Hard, is
it's
it?
an experienced
Wow.
animal. They've had a lot of success, and they get a little bit bubbly. It only bubbles a little bit,
Yeah.
and then they're back on their legs
Yeah.
again. No worries whatsoever, and back into their work. It's not a fault.
No.
No.
So, the written section C.
So let's go back to the main ring and join Lottie Stevens and David Thomas.
So has anyone got any favourites?
All of them. Simple as that.
It's a hard job, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I do like this one.
I do as well.
Colours.
Bombay
Yes,
Regal Air.
Yes.
Yeah.
If I look at an animal, and at my age, I can think I could ride that.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
Oh. I'm very much a cob person.
Yes,
I like the cob.
Yes, he's
But-
lovely.
Lovely.
And what a show he's putting on too, isn't he? Mm.
But I'd also be very much pro to the driving turnout
Yeah.
as well.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
He's got this horse in very good order.
He has, hasn't he? Looks really well. Is he going to say, make them do it again? Just because he can?
Yeah. Do you mind doing that again? Obviously, he's going to line them up now, whether he'll pull them out all out individually for an individual
Show, yes. Mm-hmm.
Well, he's got the mare and foal out now,
Yes,
hasn't he?
so he has. Yeah. Yes, they're all going to do an individual.
That's Kathy and Peter Bowdler.
Yes, I thought it was.
Yeah, with
Yes.
Pennant, Maston. Yeah. Oh no, wait a minute.
It wasn't.
No,
Oh.
didn't think it was. King's Mistress by belongs to Shirley Roberts and is the champion of the hunter breeding section.
Right.
Sorry viewers, we got the two things mixed up there. Well, I know nothing about harness stuff, John.
If you're looking for a good example, I don't think you'd see a lot better.
For a Hackney, an example of a Hackney.
Hackney in a private drive turnout.
It looks very smart,
You've
doesn't
got a
it?
Hackney for a private drive, you've got a Hackney for a wagon.
Right.
This is a lovely private drive Hackney. This is this horse's job, you know. He's very elegant. It's very typical of the Hackney action. Yes. And just going around in these make it look very easy work.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It's lovely, isn't
Driven
it?
expertly by James. Beautiful vehicle.
And it
You
looks
know.
like the animal's feet aren't touching the ground, are
No.
they?
What a great show he's put on.
Yes.
Oh, it's lovely that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Makes it look very easy, and I'm sure it isn't.
No, it's not. But James is an experienced coachman. He knows his job. He's no stranger to success.
And he looks like he's having a good time, doesn't
Well,
he?
he is enjoying it, that's
Yeah.
right. This is the Section C winner from Monday. This is Hillgarth pony.
Joined by Kevin Evans, the
Uh,
young Farmers Wales. He's had a fantastic week, over 1,000 members competing here during the week, and all the people who visited the site, and especially our particular section here, and it's been wonderful to see so many watching us. So the more and the people
Hillgarth Lucky Legend, and he won the
everybody's here around the
Welsh Section C on Monday, his class, and obviously went on to be the Ridden Welsh champion.
it's going to be extra special then. It just goes to show
And very, very pleased that they've come back for this show, especially for this class,
Yeah.
obviously.
myself as a bit proud as the chair. It was great to see. This is a very good grounding area for people who will take part in the show. For example, the chief executive, Alan Jones, was
Good example of the Section C
Yeah.
under saddle. This is our
Our coloured
Ridden champion.
Yes, that's
ambulance, air ambulance coverage, and all the details on the social media. All the best.
Bombay Regal Air
Right, let's without further ado,
with Emma
let's
Rees.
straight back to the main ring, and we return to Lottie and David.
He's got quite a tough job, really, hasn't he?
Yes, he has, because
you
there's
know,
such different in there to choose from.
yeah.
and the fact
know.
that he is a jockey
Yeah.
and not a
Yeah.
show rider.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
He's going to have to pick something that just pleases
Himself, yeah.
himself, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, they're
You
all
know?
champions in their own
In
right,
their own
aren't
right.
they?
So, you know, they've all done very well today to get where they've got.
Well, that's right. And
So anything beyond this is a bonus.
yeah, yes, yeah. And there's still a crowd on the bank there
Yeah.
to watch this, so it's
But a beautiful fronted animal.
on that animal.
Ah,
yes, lovely,
beautiful
lovely,
front.
yeah. Good length of ring.
Lovely length of rein. Just head sat on, lovely.
Yeah, that's right. I love them clean through the throat.
Oh, beautiful.
Neck of a swan.
Yes. A lot of support from the crowd
Yes. Oh, they do.
for the
They
cob
do like the
stallion.
Welsh cobs,
Yes,
don't they?
they love the
Yes, the grandstand.
love the
always
Welsh
comes
cob
alive. Yeah.
winner here.
But you know, you said he could do anything. I could sit on his back
Yes.
without,
Yeah.
you know, thinking.
And
some of them, you know, are very short in front, and
That's what I'm
you're
saying.
going to go over their ears.
You can
but
see
not
where the
that.
saddle can
Those,
go
yes,
so much in
right,
front of him.
right, yeah.
You could put a set of harness on him
Yeah.
and do the driving job, anything.
Yep.
You know, so I think that's the mark of a nice cob stallion.
Oh, excuse me, yawning. I think rolling off that mattress at 5 a.m. is catching
It's
up.
catching up.
I think it is. Yeah.
I think the wheat's catching up. I think he's possibly made his decision. So everyone would have their favourite at home viewing.
The suspense
looking
is
in.
killing me.
Yes, as to what he is going to pull forward. Is he going to let the crowd persuade him
Yes, by the cheering.
by the cheering for the Cob Stallion?
Oh, here we go.
I think so.
See what
It
he's
could be going
to.
that way. Yes, it's
Yes.
the World Cob Stallion. Oh, excellent. Supreme of show. That was me.
That was you. There we go.
But that's only my pet hate.
I think he's a bit emotional.
Yes, just slightly. Yes, we know what it's all about. And the reserve is the driving
There
turnout.
we go.
That was
Well
good,
done.
good choice, isn't it?
Yeah, very good choice. Very good
Nice
choice.
for the Hackney too.
Nice for the
Yeah.
Hackney to come in there.
And it's, driver's skill as well comes in.
Yes, so it does.
I know we can all show in hand, with the practice, but driving is a different ball game
Different ball
altogether.
game. A lot of work
Yeah.
in driving. You need the support team round you, which obviously James has got. There with his husband, there's a great supporter, and see him there heading the horse, and wonderful to see.
Yeah.
The champion won 700 pounds, also the Little Thomas Special Trophy, and donated by Mr. Thomas.
Yes, no better accolade for a breeder than to
No.
have Supreme in show.
No.
Especially in the Royal Welsh.
In the Royal Welsh, to do that,
Yes.
Did Gylch achieve this as well? Can
no,
you remember?
he did win the Gylch, won the Stallions, and I think he went on possibly for the Prince of Wales.
Oh yes, I
And,
remember them doing the
Peter Gray. That was when Peter Gray judged it,
Yeah.
and he's gone on to be a tremendous sire. And the rest is history, so to speak. And to breed yet another one,
Yes. This is a
It's a heck of an achievement, isn't it?
hell of an achievement, and to be Supreme of show,
yeah.
it's just going that bit better, isn't it?
And his linings hanging out the back of his hat. Once again,
Again,
that must be
yeah,
a lucky
it-
thing for him.
Perhaps he'll get a new hat after this.
Oh, wow. Some cup. I've had a little crystal goblet in its
In its place.
Yes. And I've still got it. Pride of place.
Oh, Marion's putting the lining back in for the second time. How lovely.
Yeah. And a kiss for his horse.
Yeah. Well, we'll have a lap of honour now, shall we?
Yes, we will.
I think I'd rather be in the carriage than running.
I think he'd like to sit in the carriage now.
Perhaps the judge will jump on the back of the pub now and
The red go faster dance.
Yeah.
Kemai's giving him a congratulatory handshake.
And I'm trying to think of the name. Maes Mynach?
Nicola.
Nicola, that's correct.
Well, there goes the 2023 Royal Welsh Supreme Champion, ring fire setter and Weledic. I think is an extremely popular winner.
Yes, I think so, yes. I've got to be honest, I think the cops are on.
Yeah,
the cops
they are.
They put on such a display.
Oh yes,
that you know,
100%.
the crowd
100%.
love to see them.
Yeah,
The great crowd pleasers, aren't they?
tremendous.
Oh yes,
Well, when you consider they draw the crowd here on a Wednesday
they do. Yeah,
for
yeah.
traditionally what's known as Cobb Day,
That's it.
and it's nice when you've got one that goes through and does the lot.
That's right.
Well, congratulations to all
Comes
involved.
back
'cause-
Thursday and does this.
And
yeah.
congratulations to the reserve,
Oh,
yeah,
to the Hackney with James Foley as well. Well, I think that's all, folks.
looks like it. Looks like it could be.
Thank you, Leslie.
No, thank you, John. I've enjoyed the company.
So, no doubt there'll be an interview now by Hannah. But we would just like to thank everyone for tuning in for the 2023 Royal Welsh Show English commentary. I hope you found it a bit interesting, and we've kept you slightly entertained over the last few days. If you've enjoyed it as much as us, well, you have enjoyed yourself. Thank you to Leslie Hilliard. Thank you to Kath Hall.
Thank you. And thank you, Branwen, for bringing us.
And I think we'll leave it over to Hannah now, which she'll have the last word. with Dorian Lloyd.
Where is Hannah? Is she in the...
She's interviewed so many people.
Yes, Hannah.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Diolch yn fawr, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, diolch yn fawr.
Mae'ch teulu chi yma yn
Prynhawn
unig gyda
da.
ni. Sut wyt ti heb law allan o wynt?
Dwi'm yn gwybod, yn onest. Wel, ddod os yw'n am ddweud. Ti'n geiriau ddim disgrifio. Mae'n deimlad, a wy'n deud ti be, mae'n deimlad, mae pawb yn meddwl bod nhw'n falle meddwl beth sy'n teimlo'n wir. Ti'n gwybod o'n synio, mae'r teimlad yma fel sy'n ddim byd arall. Fel ddim byd arall.
Wel, i ni'n hynod o brwd ohono ti. Ond Medi, wyt ti'n prwd o dadi?
Ydw.
Wyt ti'n prwd o Seren?
Ydw.
Wyt ti'n hapus iawn?
Ydw.
O, ydw. Na'r atebion i ni'n hoffi. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i ti. Does dim digon o longgyfarch i gael. Mae'n deimlad arbennig. Ewch adre, blwyddiwch, yfwch, pop the bottles fel maen nhw'n gweud, a mwynhewch pob eiliad gyda Meirion a Diana Brydwyr wrth gwrs.
100%, ie. Diolch, Diana. Diolch yn fawr.
Dim problem. Mwynhewch.
Diolch yn fawr.
Strugglers coming in. Just take a line. We'll carry on the line. Okay, look at that there. Great. Third. Right. Few last ones coming in. Right. Oh, they're still coming. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to get the sheep out again. And with Sam, semi-retired from the show this evening, but he can always enjoy being up the Royal Welsh. Okay, so Sam most probably is finally doing events, so he is going to finish our show off on this year. So we will try and walk the sheep out slowly between walking. So nobody moves, we just quiet as we can. So we're going to try to get the sheep out of the trailer. And then Sam, by giving 4 commands to Sam, the voice command at the scene, the left, the right, the stop, and the walk over the left the sheep to go through the trailer. Later on in the hour's time, there'll be sheep job trials in this particular main ring. For the last 2 days, there's been sheep job trials happening on the hillside there. And the top 2 on Saturday, top from Tuesday, top 2 from Wednesday. I'll actually compete against the World Music Congress. And we go right there. 1, 2,